Good morning, children. Hope you are enjoying the vacation now. And we are into unexpected online classes sponsored by Corona. Okay. Anyway, let us take it as an experiment and take it positively and go forward, learn well, and let us try to make use of these online classes now. Okay. Today I am going to take the topic of linear equations in one variable. Dear children, you have already studied about few terms like algebraic expression, equations, what is LHS and what is RHS, then linear equation, quadratic, cubic equations, then monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial. Let us go through these terms. I hope you all are able to remember all these terms, but also let us recap once again. Okay? Algebraic expressions. Can you remember what algebraic expression is? Hope you are able to remember, but I will tell you what algebraic expression is. Algebraic expression is a mathematical representation or mathematical expression which has variables in it, which has numbers in it and operations in it. For example, I will give you one expression here: 6a plus 5b minus 3. Okay? You can see here we have 6, which is a number. We have a here. A is nothing but it is a variable or it is an alphabet. Similarly, we have operations also here. As I said here, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression has numbers. Yes, you can see numbers here. And we also have variables in it. Yes, you can see the variable A, B. Then also I mentioned about the operation. Operation is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So here we have plus and minus sign. It is an example for algebraic expressions. Can you remember once again what algebraic expression is? What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is mathematical expression which has numbers, then variables and operations. Those operations can be plus, minus, multiplication or division. Okay? We are done with the first term. Next term is equations. Do you remember some equations that you struggled to solve in the last year? Hope you are able to remember them. How can you forget it? You cannot, right? Yeah. We had LHS and RHS there. In equations, for example, I will give you one example of an equation: 6x minus 5 equal to 10. It is an example for equation. Okay? Equation. Here we have left hand side where LHS indicates left hand side of the equal sign. LHS stands for left side of the equal sign and RHS stands for right hand side of the equal sign. Now, how to solve it, that also you have studied in the last year. Its continuation will be there in the 8th standard. These equations are used to find the unknown quantities like age of a person. You have come across different problems like if the age of son is this much, age of the father is in the ratio. When ratios are given with respect to the ages of father and son, we have solved it by using the equations and we can do it. Also, many unknown quantities can be found out using equations. In these equations, we have different types. They are linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation and one more is not there for you now. Okay? What is linear equation? Linear equation is nothing but if the maximum power of an equation is 1, if the order of the equation is 1, we call it as linear equation. Linear equation is nothing but here if we have any variables like x, y, z, for example, you have here only you can look at the first equation. Here power of a is 1, power of b is, that's also 1 only. So it is linear equation. Even the but linear equation has LHS and RHS, we can write it as 0. So it is linear equation when it has RHS also, right hand side also. Okay. Linear equation means what? It has maximum power of the variable as 1. Here this equation has 1 as the maximum power. Power of a is 1, power of b is also 1. So maximum power in this case is 1. Therefore it is linear equation. Next one is quadratic equation. What it would be, tell me? Can you guess? If the power is 1, it is linear. If the power is 2, then we call it as quadratic equation. Okay children? If the power is 1, we call it as linear. If the power is 2, we call it as quadratic equation. What about cubic? Now you are able to tell that. Right now? If the power is 1, it is linear. If the power is 2, it is quadratic. And cubic is nothing but an equation which has maximum power of the variable as 3. When the power is 3, we call it as cubic equation. In case if the power is 3 here, we call it as cubic equation. Okay. Also we have come across monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial. Can you guess what monomial, binomial and trinomial, quadrinomial is? Monomial has only one term in it. Okay? One term, like x. It has only one term. If I write 6x, y, z, a, b, c, even this also has only one term. It does not have many terms in it. So it is a monomial. Next one is binomial. Binomial. What is binomial? Did you say bye-bye to binomial? No. Binomial is nothing but a term which has two terms in it. That is x plus y. You can see here two terms right now. Let me give you one more example. 16 ABC plus 18 AB. Even it has two terms because of which call it as binomial. Binomial. Mono stands for 1, bi stands for 2. Okay? Next one is trinomial. Let us try what trinomial is. Trinomial. In monomial we had one term. In binomial we had two terms. In trinomial we have three terms. Let it be x plus y plus z. I'll give you one more example as I have given earlier. 17xyz minus 6x minus 8xz. Okay, here we have three terms. First term is 17xyz, second term is minus 6x, and the third term is 8xz. Last term is quadrinomial. What is quadrinomial? Here tri stands for 3. Next one is quadrinomial. X quadrinomial has 4 terms in it: x plus y plus z plus w. Don't worry about the order, okay? W has come in the last. We are not writing alphabets here. They are the mathematical representations, so don't worry about the order. Why W has come to the last. Don't worry about it. Quadri stands for 4 terms. So we have 4 terms here: x plus y plus z plus w. One more example is 2xy minus 3x plus 5y and minus 3w. Okay. Okay children, let us start with exercise 2.1. Okay. Hope you all are having your textbooks with you. Now you can see the exercise 2.1, in which x minus 2 equal to 7 is the first problem. Right now, x minus 2 equal to 7 is the first problem. Let us try to solve this. You all are very genius and you have solved it in the last class also, that is in the 7th standard. Now check yourself, your memory, and whether you are able to solve it or not. Now remember once. Can you tell me which step to be done next? You know, x is the variable here. We are finding the value of x. To find the value of x other than x, whatever is there, send it to the other hand side. Now x is in the left hand side. Along with x, this 2 is there, no? Send it to RHS. We want only x to be present in one side and all the numbers to be transferred to the other side. X equal to, it is minus 2 now. Right now, it is minus 2. If you transfer it to the other side, this minus becomes, yes, it becomes plus 7 plus 2. Now, x equal to what? 7 plus 2 is how much? Start counting. 8, 9. Right now? So, value of x is 8 here in this problem. Is it 8? Am I right? It has to be 9. Yes. 7 plus 2 is 9. Similar problem we have here. It is second problem, y plus 3 equal to 10. Then, as we did in the previous step, here also, sorry children, there was some interruption. Okay, I will repeat once again. Second problem, that is y plus 3 equal to 10. As we know, leaving the variable on one side, we are transferring everything else to the other side. Here also we will do the same thing. Okay. Now we have 3 here. We need to transfer 3 to the other side. When you transfer 3 to the other side, plus 3 becomes what? Is it minus 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 3? or what it is? It has to be minus 3. 10 minus 3, because you know sign of the number on transferring from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, it changes. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. Similarly, if it is multiplication, it becomes division, and vice versa. Y equal to 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? Yes, you are right. It should be 7. Okay? We have series of problems here in this exercise. It is third problem now. 6 equal to z plus 2. Since these problems are of the same type, I leave it to you. You try to solve it on your own, and once you come back to school, you need to submit these problems and I will go through them. Okay? Please try these problems which are not done in the class. This is homework for you. Now I go to fourth problem. You can make a note. It is third problem here, which is left as homework. Fourth problem, 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. As you know, what should we do now? We need to transfer everything else other than the variable to the other side. We need to find out what x is. So we are transferring 3 by 7 to the other side. What is the sign of 3 by 7 here? There is no sign only. If there is no sign, what do we take it as? It has to be positive. So if it is plus 3 by 7, when we transfer it to the other side, this plus 3 by 7 becomes minus 3 by 7. Yes. So x equal to 17 by 7, 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Okay. So x equal to 17. Both the denominators are same. Should we find the LCM here? No, we don't have to find the LCM because the denominators are same. Therefore, we can go ahead with the next step. 17 minus 3. What is 17 minus 3? It is 14. Right? 17 minus 3 is 14 divided by 7. You can simplify it further. That is 7 ones are 7 twos are. So x equal to 2. Okay, children. Here we have another set of few more problems. It is fifth problem. 6x equal to 12. What does it mean? What is the meaning of 6x? Is it 6 into x, 6 plus x, 6 minus x, or 6 divided by x? You know that when there is no sign in between two numbers, or here it is 6 and x, right? When there is no sign in between, we consider it as multiplication. Right now, as we have done earlier, leaving x, everything else has to be transferred to the other side. Now we are transferring 6 from LHS to RHS. LHS means left side of the equal sign, RHS means right hand side of the equal sign. So when you transfer 6 to other side, it is under multiplication, it becomes division. So x equal to 12 by 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 2s are. So x equal to 2. Similarly, we have sixth problem now. T by 5 equal to 10. Leaving the variable here on the left hand side, we are transferring everything else to the other side. 5 is under division. If you transfer it to the other side, it becomes multiplication. So T equal to 10 into 5. Right now, because it is under division, so if you transfer it to the other side, it becomes multiplication. 10 5 is 50. Therefore, t equal to 50. Seventh one now. 2x by 3 equal to 18. Here also we have variable, we have numerator, we have denominator. Now what should we do? First let us transfer 3, which is in the denominator. So 3 is under division, right? When you transfer 3 to the other side, division becomes multiplication. So 2x equal to 18 into 3. Right now 3 is under division. If you transfer it to the other side, it becomes division. Therefore 2x equal to 18 3s are how much? 54. Right? Now we have x here. 2x equal to 54. We are finding out what x is. What is the value of x? 2 and x are under multiplication. As you know, when two numbers are under multiplication, if one number is transferred to the other side, it becomes division. X equal to 54 by 2. 2 how many times is 54? 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. Therefore, x equal to 27 is the answer for this question. Okay. Hereby we are done with the 6 problems, leaving one problem as the homework. We have discussed about different terms like algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? You know that it has a number, variable and operations in it. And we have also discussed about monomial, which has only one term, binomial has 2 terms, trinomial has 3 terms, and quadrinomial has, or polynomial has 4 terms in it. Similarly, we have discussed about the equations, which has left hand side and right hand side. In equation, we have found value of unknown variable, that is x, y, or any alphabet it could be. So please practice this whatever we have done today, and only one homework is given today, and do it. Okay? Wish you happy vacation. Enjoy. We'll meet you in the next class.